You are still with us on Economic Buzz. We still bring our discussion about be a smart trader in gold with Monex, of course. But Vicky, well, thank you so much for sharing the information here. Unfortunately, we cannot display it on the chart. But I would like to ask you, maybe you can share with the viewer what's been happening when we're talking about the journey of quantitative easing from the first. It's like in a movie. We have the sequel, now we have QE3. What kind of step has been done after the QE, and then also what impact has it get to the gold from the first, the second, and also the third now, now?
I mean, the first quantitative easing was done in November 2008, which lasted till March 2010. And initially when the QE was announced, during that period, basically, gold went up by 36%. Magnificent. Then the second QE was announced in 2010. In August, which lasted till June 2011, about 1 year. In that span period, gold went up by 22% less. So it's like a movie, Most of the movies that you watch, part 1 is always better than part 2. So the effect of the QE is not as strong. And now after the QE3 announcement, considering the last time gold went up 22%, maybe we would expect a movement under 20%. And this year, gold has already gone up by 13%. So a lot of people think that now with QE3, gold is going to go to 2,000. Realistically speaking, this year, the highest level I would predict is towards the highest levels, which is at about $1,900 per troy ounce. But we see a strong resistance at $1,800. Gold is now trading at $1,770 per troy ounce, and there's a strong resistance at $1,800. If this breaks, gold may continue its rally to $1,900, but I do not see a stronger rally than that this year.
Most common people will ask about this. What are actually the negative consequences after the 3 quantitative easing has been done by US for gold?
Well, I mean, the first concern, the biggest concern is inflation, right? I mean, they're printing money. And the second concern is that initially in QE1, QE2, it was helping the economy. It was boosting the economy, low interest rates, people were borrowing, the economy saw a good recovery. But now the QE3 is not expected to give as much of a boost or really help the economy. Basically, they need to find other ways of stimulating the economy to bring their unemployment down. Because US unemployment has come down from 10% to 8%, but that's not enough. It's still much higher compared to Indonesia, which is 6%. So they have to, basically other measures need to be found to bring this down. Or they cannot only rely on quantitative easing.
So are you also implying that the third QE or QE3 doesn't do a lot of help in terms of doing the stimulus of the economy?
It helps. It definitely helps to support asset price and slowly, progressively rise, but not as strong as QE1 and 2.
Online trading, this is something, because actually this talk show, part of it is about market education. Share with us in more detail the advantages of having the online trading beside its practicality, for sure.
Of course. I mean, the most simple thing which makes everyone attracted to online trading is that you can trade anywhere, anytime. The gold spot market, I mean, what's provided is the gold spot market. It's traded 24 hours from Monday till Saturday morning. And the best part is that you can trade. There's two-way opportunities, so you can benefit from the price rising and decreasing as well, which is not available in physical gold. You cannot sell a physical gold and then buy it later. You have to always own it first. Whereas online trading, because you're trading the contract, you're not actually owning gold. You can buy first and sell, and let's say the gold price rise, you make a profit. You can also sell first and then buy back your position and take a benefit from the price depreciating.
We are happy to have you here from Monex. The online trading done by Monex, probably, what makes it different with the other? Because sometimes we have this kind of prejudices toward the brokers, sorry to say, but that's the fact sometimes. Like introducing something new to our market when we're talking about the role of the broker. To what extent actually a broker could get involved in our investment?
It is very essential. I mean, sometimes a lot of traders or investors look for the cheapest cost, and that is not the most crucial thing, because these kind of investments, if not taken care of, can be highly risky as well. So initially, I mean, of course, first of all, our trading platform is very light, so it's very easy and very quick to execute, very user-friendly. We have over 32 languages as well, which makes it comfortable for everybody to use the language that they're comfortable with. And besides that, Monex is really committed to excellence. Basically, they provide premium service to clients, such as education. We have free education across 20 branches of ours across Indonesia, where we have seminars, workshops, live trading seminars. We have annual events where we invite speakers. Like this year, we invited Daryl Guppy from Australia to come and speak, so that investors and traders are fully informed of what's happening in the market and new tricks and strategies of what are happening. Besides that, we have a monthly magazine which we distribute to all our investors and traders, which provides updates on all markets from stocks, gold, indices, foreign exchange, commodities, oil, gold, silver, everything's covered under that packet as well. We also have a research department. In that research department's clients or even prospective clients can actually call the research department and ask for assistance and know what happened in the market, why did a particular asset go up or fall. Besides that, we also have a daily news which can be sent to your email or faxed to you, which gives you an update of everything that's going on in the market. We also have a weekly update. We have a weekly stock update. So in terms of information, education, research, it's fully complete. In addition to that, we also have a corporate social responsibility department where we basically, you trade and we give. So we also donate to schools, and basically we are committed to improving the educational environment in Indonesia and for the needy children who need to improve their educational quality. So where we renovate schools, we buy books, and we do all these things to improve the future of Indonesia.
Yeah. Since this is becoming your area of expertise as well when we are talking about gold, I believe this is becoming a frequent asked question as well. How profitable doing business in gold in Indonesia? How would you answer to this kind of common question, maybe becoming typical? How profitable, Pak Vicky, doing business in gold in this country, etc.?
Well, I mean, if in physical gold, well, I mean, physical gold, like I mentioned, because the spread is wide, it is a long-term investment. I mean, I do not say you do not buy gold now, but for longer term investment, because of the high volatility, you can see a mere correction. But I do not see gold breaking down below $1,640 per troy ounce, despite the high volatility that's there in the market. So investors can take that as a benchmark and look to buy at levels. But anyone who has bought gold on corrections throughout the last 3-4 years should have done fine.
So in short, it's still promising to do business in gold. Pak Vicky, we are going to continue to this one.
Thank you.
Economic Buzz will be back soon with more of you from Mr. Vicky Amarnani, market strategist from Monex Invest Indo Futures.